In this video, I will show you how you can use browser extensions on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for Safari, and after you find it, then just tap on it. On this page, just scroll down a bit, and under General, you will find the option for extensions. Now just tap on it. Now over here, you will find all the extensions recommended for Safari. You can download any of them, but if you want to see more extensions, just tap on More Extensions, and you will be redirected to a dedicated page in the App Store for Safari extensions. Now just select the extension which you want. For an example, I will download this extension. Now just tap on Get to download the extension. And as you can see, we are downloading the extension. And once you have downloaded your preferred extension, then just tap on Open. Over here, you will be able to set up the extension on your iPad. Now just follow the instructions so you could set up the extension on your iPad. And after you have completed the setup process of the extension, then just go to Safari. And as you can see, we have successfully enabled the extension on our iPad. If you tap on the extension icon, you will be able to manage all your extensions over here. But if you want to use Google Chrome extensions on your iPad, so the only way you can do that is by downloading a third-party internet browser. For that, just open the App Store and search this. Now just install this browser on your iPad. And after you do that, then just tap on Open. After you open the Orion browser, then just tap on the three dots over here and select Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Advanced. Over here, just make sure you enable the toggle for Chrome extensions. After you enable the toggle for Chrome extensions, then in the search bar, just search the Chrome Web Store. Now just open the Chrome Web Store. And over here, just download any Chrome extension on your iPad. And you will only be able to use the Chrome extension on the Orion browser. Now just select the extension and select Add to Orion. And once the extension is fully downloaded, you will be able to use the Chrome extension on your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.